to my video. Today I'm gonna show you guys a video of how I paid a guru to create for my Shopify store. I know I haven't been posting a lot because it's because of my imposter syndrome, yeah. But yeah, guys, bear with me. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the process that I took for him to create for me the store, how much I paid, and yeah, how like I'm gonna rate the store out of 10 to see if he actually did well or it was just trying to get my money and just run away with it, just something. So yeah, I also tried TikTok ads. The thing with TikTok ads is it's not very popular in Africa. In fact, I had to use my friend's US number to create a TikTok ads account because you cannot even target outside the States and UK. You only target those countries. There's no Africa or Asia targeting for the TikTok ads. So let's get into the video. All right. All right, guys, fast forward. As you guys can see here, I've already gotten the details for the store. So the guy is called Mikey Cass. He is like an e-commerce guru. I think we'll do a bit of research on him later, but as you guys can see here, he's already sent me the details of the store. Yeah, like that's after I paid the $14. Ignore this. This is my TikTok's ads interface. This is when I was running TikTok ads. So as I told you guys before, TikTok ads is not yet a big thing in Africa and Asia. It's mostly guys in the States and UK who run TikTok ads and are scaling it on a large scale. But that doesn't stop anyone who's on this side of the world to like scale their accounts organically. Yes, I have a bit of flu, but I hope you guys bear with it. So this is my TikTok ads account and I'm gonna turn it off. So far I've spent almost $80 on my TikTok ads account, and it's insane. Yeah, it's very cheap and far better than Facebook ads. The engagement is very high. But back to the store. So basically, when I bought this store for $17, it was just like a starting point. It was like a foot in the door for Mikey Cass, because I was hoping I will actually speak to him directly. Because when I bought the store, they said they're going to set up an hours call with me, and then when I ended up taking the hours call, it was with one of his sales guys, and yeah, the guy was actually hyping me as I'm signing in. Let me just tell you part of how this went down. He was hyping me, and then at the end of the day, basically he wanted me to pay $1,500 into their mentorship class. It was kind of tempting because it was so much promised stuff that he was telling me, and I told myself I'll never pay for any online course. Maybe I'll pay for a mentor face to face, but not for the course. And that's why you guys have like your values and cut off lines for anything you do. So I'll also support you and suggest you guys don't really pay for online courses. They're like shams, man, because mostly you have no access to the mentors, and you find that you've done mistakes somewhere and you have no one to help you. So as you can see, I'm in the store. He's installed these 4 apps which are very good: Currency Converter, Reviews, and Orbello for fulfillment. So I'm gonna rate this site out of 10 later to see how they score. As you can see, it's a drone website. They sell drones, and the address is in the States. And let's see the plan. It's loading. 12 days remaining. And then one of the challenges that we face, most of guys who are not either in the States or UK, is payments. Like payment providers here. Forgive my internet is very slow, but as you can see here, he has set up Shopify payments. Because I think he's in the States, so he's partners with Shopify, and that's very easy. Now, if I'm really going to use this store, I'm going to have to use PayPal and change all the payments to PayPal and other third-party payments that Shopify accepts that are not part of their platforms. And this makes it complicated a bit, because it makes it easier. You're part of the Shopify partners because you have access to so many payment options, and it's part of how to build trust with the customers if you want to buy from your site. So now we're on the front page. It's called Drone Only. As you can see, it's very nice. Out of 5 already, the design, I'll give it a 4 out of 5 already. It's actually very nice. As you guys can see, the drone is flying in the O. And these are, it's already showing his target audience. It's like people who travel and take pictures of drones, and it's created categories: high pictures, using very high quality 4K pictures. As you can see, the website itself is very good, and I'm so surprised, like the prices of the drones that is listed here is they make sense. It's not very expensive, like $59 you get a drone, and so it's insane. And as you can see, even on the bottom is a lot of trust pages. He has put policies, refunds, and also let's see on top here if he has, yeah, he also has a track order, contact us, and then about us, FAQ. So already this website is a solid 8.5. I'll give it a solid 8.5, but that's it's not getting a 10 because first of all, at this age it makes sense for you to choose a niche. Like him is chosen to generalize in niche drones generally. It's still broad, but like I'll go further and focus on one drone and tell people why this drone is good. So as you can see, these are add to cart, buy now, and yeah, the descriptions are very copy and paste descriptions. They look like he copy and pasted them from Amazon. And yeah, I think you're not able yet to check out because it's not set up the checkouts. So yeah, I have to go add my own payment since now this is my store, but I'm not going to continue it because to market a drone I need like a good amount of capital. So let's check out the trends, Google Trends. This tells us how good this market is doing. I mean, how good this product is doing well in the market. Like starting point I always use is the product searches are above 50. If they're above 50, that means it's a good product to test out and see. So drones, let's see and search. So if this product is above 50, well off, that's all right. Better if it's above 80 or 75. So as you can see, it's showing. Let's see worldwide. Let's see how it's doing. So I didn't end up paying for the course, and I think the guy got disappointed. I didn't give him my money because that time I was also into crypto. He wanted me to like get my crypto investments and use it to make the payments, and that's just when I could see sometimes salesmen are desperate, like they want to close in deal so bad, like they'll do anything to close you on the moment. They don't want to give you time to think about other things, so always have time to think to us. As you can see, this is above it's above 50, well off, above 50, also gone here. So it's a trending product. So yeah, it will be a good idea. And drone footages are breaking out nowadays. A lot of people are taking drone footages when they're traveling to see landscape or real estate, just aerial view of places. So it's a very good niche. So yeah, he chose a very good product. He was generally for $17. It was a good choice. It was a good idea. Like he didn't really just try around with my money. So yeah, Mikey Cass, I'm gonna go ahead and search for him on Google and see. Also, you guys can do research, because how I made this, I was just watching YouTube and it popped up as an ad. So I was like, okay, fine, why can't I just try see a video?